too much hand washing has its toll on the skin. A lot of us already see this. We figured this is the right time to share with you a simple natural hand moisturizer recipe that you can make at home. It only requires 2 ingredients, is all natural and very easy to make. Let's begin. For this natural hand moisturizer you will need a glass bottle pump dispenser, vegetable glycerin and rose water. Wash the glass bottle dispenser well before getting started. Add equal parts of vegetable glycerin and rose water into the recipient. Shake well and your natural hand moisturizer is done. You can reduce or increase the glycerin content to obtain a more or less oily lotion for your particular skin type. This natural hand moisturizer does not contain preservatives, so it has a shorter shelf life. To make the most of it, store it in a dry or cool place when you don't use it. Allergic reactions to homemade cosmetics are very rare. A simple test will determine if you can handle them. Apply a little bit of the natural hand moisturizer on the inside of your palm and wait for 24 hours. If you do not notice any reaction, you can use this natural skin product with confidence. For more natural remedies, share, like and subscribe and visit mynaturaltreatment.com.